Hey, my champions, everybody, a very warm welcome to all of you on this special session, guys, where I will be telling you the complete journey of aspirant, guys, and especially a gate and ESE aspirant. So, guys, I will be, of course, telling you the journey on my whatever the data I am telling you here, whatever the things I'll be telling you here, whatever the obstacles that are in the life of a, you can say, aspirant. What are the difficulties? Okay, what are the struggles? What are the obstacles? That everything I'll be telling you in this particular session. Okay, and of course, yes, some tips as well from my side, that how you can overcome from it. Okay, so of course, guys, please like and share the session with as many as friends as you can, so that more people can join this session. Anil, good evening from Andhra Pradesh. Ankita Pandey, very good evening. After a very long time, you are coming my session. Okay, so guys, the complete journey, okay, of the student I'll be telling you in this session. Guys, before moving forward, let me tell you about myself. Okay, my name is Don. I have 9+ years of teaching experience. Done my MTech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering. Got All India rank 164 in 2012. Mentored more than 20,000 students in offline for more than 8,000 hours. These are my subjects. Okay. Yes, Hakim is here. Solanki is here. A very good evening to all of you guys. Everybody, every commando, every champion. Okay. So guys, before going further, let me tell you that I have taken a complete SOM marathon where everything is included. Every chapter from first to last, you can see that session. I have just taken it today only. You can see that session and practice the questions. PDF also I'll provide it. I have already provided in the GridUp Super Champions YouTube channel. Guys, if you want to GridUp Super, you can take the code. You can apply the code LAST55. LAST55, and you can take 55% discount on GridUp Super. Okay, Karan saying I'm a second year student, suppose got 100 rank in gate 20, then it's going to give in 20. No. Karan Gupta, see. Karan Gupta has asked a beautiful question, that in 2022 he get a rank, suppose 1, then he has to again give it 2023. Guys, gate rank is valid for 3 years. Okay, suppose in third year, but second year is not eligible. Suppose third year you got even rank 1. So that rank 1 is eligible for 3 years, but that is only eligible for MTech purpose, taking admission in the IITs, ISC or NITs, not for PSU. For PSU, that particular year rank is valid. Okay, so if you want only MTech, then you can just stop. Okay, rank 1 is done. But if you want PSUs, then of course you have to try again that year. Good evening everybody. Guys, the various courses are running on the GridUp. One of them is Vision, guys. Vision means gate plus ESE. Complete courses here, gate plus ESE. Live classes will be there, my friends, practice question, mock tests, and chapter wise study notes. And of course, guys, from your demand, Vision is now available in Hindi as well. Okay, so English batch is different, Hindi batch is different. And guys who are preparing for 2023, those who are giving the admission in 2023, those who are giving the gate or ESE in 2023, for them also this is valid. They can take this course. Okay. Now guys, are you ready for this session, guys? Let me again tell you the complete process I will be telling you. The complete process of aspirant, the journey, the beginning, when you start the preparing, then adapting the climate. When you start the preparation, then he adapts the climate. Okay, BTech pressure is there, semester pressure is there, or somebody's job, then job pressure is there, or somebody's dropout, then mental pressure is them. Okay, adapting the pressure, adapting the climate. Then guys, moving forward, the complete journey I'll be telling you, and the basis of my whatever I'll be telling in this session, the basis will be the many students that I have taught from last 9 to 10 years. On that basis I will be telling you. Okay, individual subject course और civil engineering subject on GridUp, please. Individual subject आपको चाहिए तो आप उस particular course का subject वाला देख लो, simple. Okay, so yes guys, please like and share the session so that many people can get benefited from this. Okay, everybody, let's start the session, guys. Okay, everybody see, when after your 12th class you go to BTech, then guys, usually it in first year or second year, very few people started for gate preparation. In my time, people are starting gate preparation after the 7th semester, but that was a different time. The competition was even lesser that time. Nowadays, yes, I agree that people start preparing very before second year, third year. Okay, but guys, let me say, suppose after enrolling in BTech in second year, you start GATE preparation. Okay, then after some time, there are many confusions that are there in your mind. Many queries are there in that your mind. What are those queries? What are those struggles? What are those obstacles? How to overcome those struggles? How to overcome those obstacles? I will be telling you in this session. Okay, guys, you go to BTech, then GATE or ESE preparation, then confusion. What are those confusion? Everything I'll be telling you in detail. Okay, so guys, most of the times, most of the students, the most of the aspirants are having this kind of confusion. They are going round and round and round. Round and round and round they are going. Yes, उनकी ऐसी जिंदगी राउंड राउंड ही चलती रहती है. Okay, how कैसे राउंड राउंड चलती रहती है? See, guys, let's start from here. Everybody, let's start from here. From BTech, guys, after second year or third semester or fourth semester or third year, you started GATE preparation. Okay, BTech में थे, in second year, third year, you started GATE preparation. Many of you. After that, guys, if in your branch it is ESE as well, then you go to ESE. Technical syllabus is same. Technical syllabus is almost same. Just I have to study the GS part. Okay, so then why not to GATE and ESE both? Then you are going for GATE and ESE both. Then after some time, when you reach in fourth semester or eighth semester, then you think, oh yeah, it is too much. ESE is not possible. That is a different game. There is general studies also there. Seats are very less. I'm not a suitable candidate for ESE. Okay. Then after some time you realize that in next 2-3 months that you are left with, अब GATE भी नहीं होने वाला यार. GATE is also not possible because competition these days are too much. Then again you come back to your semester. Semester ही कर लेते हैं यार, BTech ही कर लेते हैं. Let's hope if placement is there, it's okay. Otherwise they will get a drop and again they will go to again this process. So guys, first GATE, then go to ESE भी कर लेते हैं यार. The syllabus is same, technical syllabus is same. That after some time they think, it is not possible यार. To manage both of them, it is not possible. ESE is having a vast syllabus. After some time they realize that अब इतने समय में GATE भी नहीं होने वाला, तो they go again to semester दोबारा BTech ही कर लेते हैं यार. तो ये round process बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता रहता है दोस्तों. Okay, this round process is happening with many of the students, guys, most of the time. Okay, यहाँ से start किया, सपना देखा कि GATE clear करेंगे. They have wished a dream that GATE will be cleared. Then ESE, but after some time they realize no यार, semester कर लेते हैं, BTech कर लेते हैं. So where they are lagging? What are the things that they are not taking care of? Okay, that everything I will be telling you guys. Everybody, Ratnikant is here. Okay, Imad Wasim, how are you? Everybody, please like and share the session so that many more people can enjoy this. Okay, guys, everything I'll be telling you. Okay, one by one we'll go further. And is there any doubt, I'll be taking in between those doubts as well. So doubts are most welcome. But let me tell you first. Guys, first of all, you should be knowing the real competition. How much is the real competition? This thing you should be knowing. Okay, because most of the people are quitting in between the process. Most of the people are quitting in the process here. Again, they are coming to semester. Again, why? Because they are not knowing the real competition. What the people think, suppose the branch is civil or mechanical or electronics, on an average, the number of students people giving are 1,50,000. On an average, of course, civil 1,25,000, mechanical little bit more, electronics around the same range. Okay, 1,50,000 people are giving. So what happens when few months are left, 6 or 7 months are left? Okay, then people think, okay यार, it is not possible. अब semester ही कर लेते हैं, वापस BTech पे आ जाते हैं. Okay, but let me tell you those students one thing, that yes, this many number of people are giving exam, but let me tell you, in those 1,50,000 people, only 10,000 people are there who are studying throughout the year. 1,40,000 people started the preparation just 2 months back. Out of these 50,000, 1,40,000. Yes, this is a huge number, guys. I am teaching in this field from last 9 years. I am knowing exact data. Don't think that it is overrated. Okay, so 1,40,000. I'm not saying that they are studying in last week. Out of these 1,40,000, 40,000 studying last week as well. I'm not saying last week, but in last 2 months, I'm saying, or 2 or 3 months, 1,40,000 people started. I'm not saying they are accelerated their studies. I'm not saying they are accelerated. They are started. So guys, of course, those who are starting their career or their studies in last 2-3 months, of course, a very bright result will not be coming. Yes, if they have a sharp brain, they can qualify GATE, they can get a rank 3,000, 3,500, but a very, very bright rank will not be coming. So the real competition is between 10,000 students, guys. Here is the real competition. Here is the real competition. And guys, this picture is not of those 1,50,000. This picture is not of 1,50,000 guys. Okay, let me tell you guys, yes, at the end more people are started guys. Okay, and the real competition is only between 10,000 people. Okay, it is not a 100-meter race. Clearing a GATE exam or EAC exam is a marathon, guys. It is a marathon. Okay, so real competition is only between 10,000 student guys, and you should not be quitting the competition by seeing this much huge value. You should not be quitting the exam by seeing this much huge value, because the real competition is only between the 10,000 students, guys. Okay, because always if you see this real competition, there will be moral boost up. आपको एक moral boost up रहेगा कि नहीं यार फोड़ देंगे. बहुत सारे लोग इसको देखते हैं और डिमोलाइज हो जाते हैं. Okay, now guys, let's start the beginning. When a candidate starts its preparation, why he starts the preparation? Because GATE gives us high paying jobs in PSU, IITs, engineering services by IES. Okay, all these things GATE has given them. Okay, that's why they start the journey. Okay, guys, what I want to say to those people who started their journey at the beginning, that guys, initially don't make your targets too high, because you are just stepping into the competition. You are just stepping into the competition. Don't make your targets initially too much high, because guys, if you are not able to achieve those targets in next few days, you will be getting demoralized, and this demoralized thing will again stop you. It will not give you the motivation. It will not give you the boost up to study further. Okay, so guys, when you start the journey, guys, initially for some days or weeks, take your target very lesser or very small, so that you are achieving those targets in a regular interval, and that will give you a moral boost up to study further. Agreeing or not, just everybody give me Y or N. Y means yes, you are agreeing with me. So initially guys, the target should be small, so you are achieving those small targets and you are moving forward. What people do at the beginning only, they set a huge target. Up to now nothing they are studying, and from next moment they are taking 10 घंटे पढ़ेंगे आज तो यार, 10 hours will study yaar, we'll finish those 2 chapters on a single day. So huge target they started. So either they are finishing those 2 chapters without any concept. Okay, that's the thing they are lagging on. Okay, so the start should be gentle. The start should be gentle. It should not be like this one, because guys, this is not a 100-meter race. In 100-meter race guys, you have to put a big amount of effort from the beginning of your race, from the beginning of your sprint. But this is a marathon, guys. Take smaller steps. Just get to habitual of these exams, of these conditions, because up to now or before starting your preparation, you are only dealing with your semester exam or only dealing with your college assignments. But now an extra thing is coming, not in terms of syllabus, because syllabus is almost same, but yes, extra thing is coming because the extra effort of practice is required. And of course, syllabus is same, but the depth of concept required in GATE is too much. Because sometimes in college, if the depth is, I've seen many students in my college as well, whose depth of concept is not too much, but they have attended all the lectures, they have asked their teacher what is the important things, they have done all the previous 3 years university exam paper. That's why even they are not very good in concepts, they score good marks. You will all agree with me. There are many students in the college whose concept are not good. I will agree. सबके कॉलेज में ऐसा होगा. Those few students who are not very good in concepts still getting good marks, क्योंकि उन्होंने पूरा रट डाला है तोते की तरह. They have just crammed everything. They have just done the 3. Everybody is doing 3 years previous year paper. They have done 5 years previous year paper. So everybody is doing 3 year previous year, they have done 5 years previous year paper. They have attended all the lectures. They have know what teacher has emphasized more on. Okay, so every college has those students. But of course, GATE does not require those students. GATE requires concept, the depth of the concept. Okay, so even the syllabus is same, even the syllabus, or in fact not same. If college is this thing now guys, this is college, GATE is even lesser. Because in college there are exams like social studies or electives in 7th semester or 8th semester. They are not in GATE. GATE are only few things of this your semester exams. Okay. So first thing what you have studied up to now, I have only discussed one point. Up to now I have only discussed one point. What is that point? What is that point? The beginning should be gentle. Guys, I am writing here. Up to now, what I said, the journey of aspirant, first point, the beginning should be gentle. The beginning should be gentle and target should not be high. The beginning should be gentle. First point we have observed till now of aspirant. And target should be not high. Guys, why few people left the studies very early in their GATE preparation? Target should not be very high. Not be very high. Up to now we have discussed this point. Guys, let me show you one picture that I started here. Guys, many people started preparation, but after some time only few people left. Okay, then after again some time only few people left. I know that in the last many people are coming, but I am talking of real aspirants. Okay, guys, why? Because many of them have put so much big targets in initially and they are not able to achieve them. That's why they have demoralized and left the preparation. Again, somebody has done the same thing, then only few candidates are left at the end and those are the champions. Okay, so guys, initially I don't know in which phase you are. I'm just moving forward. I'm just moving forward to the another phase. First phase, the beginning phase, and the beginning phase tell you that the beginning should be gentle with not big targets. Because when the big target is not being achieved by you, no, it is not happening. Suppose guys, I generally wake up at late in the morning if there is no class. Because I sleep around 3 a.m. these days. So many meetings are there. Another day I have to make the PPTs as well. So around 3 a.m. or sometimes 4 a.m. I am sleeping these days. That's not good. I agree with that, but due to work I have to sleep at that. So usually if there is no class, I am waking up at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Okay, suppose from another day I thought that I will be running whenever I wake up. So if I take a big target, 20 rounds of my building I will run. Of course I will not be able to run that first day. And when I am not achieving that target, another day I leave. मैं तो कर नहीं पाता हूँ. If I started with 2 rounds first, then after 3 days 4 rounds, then after few weeks 5 rounds, then this can be happening. Okay, yes. Everybody please like this session and share it with your friends. Share it with your friends. The beginning should be gentle. अगर तुमने beginning में ही शोएब अख्तर बनने लगे तो हो कुछ पाएगा नहीं और फिर पता चला कि बनना पड़ेगा कहीं मुनाफ पटेल. ओके यार निगर क्लासेस इन्फिनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स तक आप देख सकते हो. लाइव क्लास रहती है पर अप टू योर वैलिडिटी ऑफ सुपर यू कैन इन्फिनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स वो देख सकते हो आप. नाउ second thing, first thing, the gentle movement. Okay, the gentle start of the race, not high targets. Now second thing, sir, okay, we understood this, that target should not be high. Second thing, what is the right time? Right time is first year, second year, third year, fourth year, or after BTech. What is the right time, guys? Let me tell you, people are selected after this as well. 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 People after selected is this after this as well. Okay, there is not any single option that after BTech you start preparation, you will not be selected. No, it's not possible. It is not there. After fourth year you started preparation, you will not be getting selected. No. Every year there are some chances. Every year there are some chances. Of course, how much early you begin, the more time you will be having. So you should begin as early as possible now. Suppose you are a third year student. Suppose you are a 4-year student. As early as you start, it's better. Of course, you can't go in first semester now. Of course, you can't go back in first semester. You will not be taking admission in any other college from first semester. It's obvious. Guys, come on यार, इसको बताने के लिए क्या किसी टीचर का आंसर चाहिए क्या? To tell the answer of this, क्या कोई टीचर का आंसर चाहिए? Logical things I am working on. I am working on logical things. People select here, yes. People select here, here. People pass here after BTech. Some people fail here. Pass, fail, both are here. Pass, fail, both are here. After 4th year, people start preparation. Some of them pass, some of them fail. After BTech, some of students start preparation. Some of them pass, some of them fail. Okay. After third year, somebody start preparation. Some of them pass, fail. Some of them pass, fail. Some of them pass, fail. Of course. And of course, guys, more percentage those who started from here, there will be more percentage of success rate. But zero success rate is never. Zero success rate is never. Okay, so as early as possible you can start. But suppose there is third year, you should start from here. So you will not be going back now. Okay, so as early as possible start it. That's the case. Second thing, guys, most important slide. The journey of aspirant. The journey of aspirant, most important slide on the journey of aspirant. Most important slide, guys. This slide will be giving you overview of the journey. Guys, if you are not Rajnikant, you are a normal aspirant, then first stage, second stage, third stage are there of journey of aspirant. First stage should be, you should be knowing the demand of the exam, what the exam demands from you. What the exam demands from you. If suppose you are preparing for SSC, the demand will be different. Of course, there in SSC, different subjects will be carrying different weightage. Suppose you are preparing for gate exam, the demand will be different. Demand will be depth into the concepts. For ESE, the demand will be along with concepts, but the vast variety should be covered. So demand, know the pattern. Pattern to janna padega. What is the pattern? Should we have to opt for do practice of subjective also, only for objective also? These are all things you should be knowing. The demand, the pattern, weightage analysis. Suppose you are studying X subject and X subject for 2 months, but X subject is only carrying of 1 marks. Suppose microprocessor in electronics. Suppose building material for gate, for ESE it is too much, for SSC it is too much, but I am saying for gate. Okay, level of questions should be known. Okay, suppose in SSC or any other exam, level of questions is not too much, but you are studying SOM for 3 months with deep concept. No. Just understands first of all. Pitch में बैटिंग करने से पहले, first of all, see what is the pitch. Is it swinging pitch? It is dry pitch. It is wet pitch. It is a flat pitch. Hit a 6 on the first ball. Okay? बेसिक से स्टार्ट होगा भाई, बेसिक से एकदम जीरो से, कि आप पहली बार पढ़ रहे हैं. इसी तरीके से मैं और बाकी सारे टीचर पढ़ाते हैं. So you should be knowing all these things. Agreeing? Before playing a batting or cover drive in a pitch, you should be seeing what kind of pitch. It is bouncy pitch like Australia, swinging pitch like England, or a flat pitch like India. So you should be knowing. Okay, after knowing this should be taking only 5 to 10 days. Otherwise, unless you are in a mood of chill mood, like Chris Gale. Okay, otherwise, a normal student can take 5 and 10 days here. Okay, now after this, second stage, you know the pattern, you know the strategy, you know the level of questions. After that, go to the concepts. Concepts, practice, PYQs. Now, guys, no book is required. Guys, see. If in India 1990, 1990, year 1990 or near 1995, you are giving, or year 2000, you are giving the gate exam. Of course, that time no material in YouTube, not coachings, offline and online are available. That time if you have to study a subject, most of the times the college teacher is not up to the mark, unfortunately. That time, of course, you have to go for the books. Now suppose you are coming in my class, suppose in Vision Batch. I already studied 5 books of SOM in the market, the best books. So why you have to study here? Then what is the use of coming coaching? Go and then get knowledge from that 5 books. I'm not saying that 5 books are not good. But that thing the teachers have done na. Okay, so not requirement of books. Guys, whatever, suppose you are doing self-study, then it is a different thing. Otherwise, and of course, books have written for understanding that subject, not for GATE and ESE exam. Okay, so concept clarity, quizzes, PYQ, that is the second stage. Guys, short notes, extra short notes, formula copy, mistake copy. I'm not saying they are not important, but primary thing is concept. Primary thing is concept and practice. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आया, प्रैक्टिस किया, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. बट सपोज मैं अभी यहां पे एक वीडियो बनाता हूं कि गन्ने का जूस पिए कि अनार का जूस पिए, गेट का एग्जाम निकालना है, तो अगर आप गेट पे फोकस कर रहे हैं तो आपको पीना है अनार का जूस. लेकिन अगर आप ईएससी को फोकस कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत एक लंबा एग्जाम है जिसमें एनर्जी चाहिए होता है, शुगर चाहिए होता है, ग्लूकोज चाहिए होता है, तो आप पीजिए गन्ने का जूस. अगर मैं ये वीडियो बनाया, मैं बता रहा हूं 2000 बच्चे लाइव आएंगे कल. अरे बेटा ये जरूरी होगा, सुबह पढ़ें, रात को पढ़ें, क्या पढ़ें, कौन सा खाना खाना है, नॉन वेज खाना है कि वेज खाना है, ये ऐसा. दोस्तों, कॉन्सेप्ट किसी भी एग्जाम, द कॉन्सेप्ट practice is the first thing to clear any exam. Formula copy, short copy, notes, short notes, extra short notes, that are secondary things. Okay, no nigger. Okay, so go for the concept. Take one subject, kill that, go to the second subject, kill that means get the concept, kill that. After the exam, when people started preparing, out of 1,50,000 people, 1,40,000 started in the last 3 to 4 months. That time a real gate aspirant is starting the revision, guys. That is the truth. When many people, out of 1,50,000 people, those who are giving gate in every branch, in mechanical it may be 170, in civil it might be 140, in electronics it might be 110. But guys, out of those people, 80% people started preparation in last 3 months, and the real gate aspirant is that time they started revision. That's why the revision arc is coming the rank for them. Everybody, just put a heart sign if you're getting me or not. Just put a heart sign on the comment box if you are getting me or not. Guys, मोटे मोटे तौर पे यार, एक्स्ट्रा नोट, शॉर्ट नोट के खिलाफ नहीं हूं मैं. आई एम नॉट अपोजिट टू देम. But that is the real strategy, guys. And if you are if you are following this strategy, exactly this strategy, if you are following exactly this strategy, but you are giving 2 months here, okay, you are giving 4 months here, you are giving 2 months here, that is also a wrong strategy. So not only my strategy in this way, but along with this way, proper time, demand of exam 5 to 10 days, it's enough. Ananya Raw is here. IIT package for different branches different. For computer science, it is going up to 40 lakhs. For civil electronics, it is around 8 to 10 lakhs on an average. Now, guys, always when you are doing this thing, you are at this phase of your life. This phase of your life will not be ever coming back. You'll be becoming an engineering service officer after some time, or a PSU officer, or IIT and MTech. But guys, enjoy the journey as well. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें घुस मत जाना कि दोस्ती नहीं रहे, रिश्तेदारी नहीं रहे, क्या करोगे उसके बाद, ES बन के क्या कर लोगे उसके बाद. Okay. Satya Prakash saying, sir, what is better method to study? Reading all or 2-3 subjects, or fully reading one subject? Okay. Satya Prakash, first thing. Satya Prakash asked me, so 3 options he has given me. Reading all subjects, 2 to 3 subjects, or 1 subject. All subjects at a time. All subjects at a time. ये मिक्स दाल नहीं है. ये मिक्स दाल नहीं है कि सारी दाल खा के कि समय में मशीन भी पढ़ लेंगे, पावर सिस्टम भी पढ़ लेंगे, डिजिटल भी पढ़ लेंगे, कंट्रोल सिस्टम भी पढ़ लेंगे. मिक्स दाल नहीं खा रहे हैं. Okay. 2 to 3 is also too much. Guys, only 2 options. Either 1 subject at a time and finish it, or parallelly 2 subjects at a time, finish it. I will prefer this, but suppose you are getting bored of this, of course you can go for this. This is also equally good. either one subject at a day or two subjects at a day. Okay, I will prefer one subject at a day. I will prefer one subject at a day. But my friends, if you are getting bored with the one subject, of course you can go to two subjects. But again a condition, any of these two. Again a condition. The condition is this: those two subjects should not be heavy one. Should not be heavy one. No. It should not be like that. You take communication and the control system at same time, or power system or electric machine at same time, or you take SOM, strength of materials and fluid mechanics at the same time. No, these two subjects should not be two heavy ones. These two subjects, one should be big subject, like suppose you take SOM, FM, power production or any environment like this, and second should be smaller one like PERT CPM, engineering mechanics, building material, okay, like digital 101, 10 AND gate is 0, 10 OR gate is 1, AND gate 10 is 0, and NOR gate 10 is OR will become 1 and NOR will become 0. I guess I'm not electronics. I'm not getting electronics. I guess I'm right. Okay. So isko hata 7 ki ghata. Now see, many people have one more doubt, sir. If you study in morning or night, anytime. Just if you are a night person, before 10 days before exam, switch to your actual real exam time. Otherwise, up to that you can start with the night time. Next, why many people why they are going round and round? First, what was the doubt? What I told you at the beginning, that people are going in this round. Why after some time they failed to continue their motivation? Why after some time they failed to continue their process? Let me tell you about that as well. Everybody, every champion, guys, please like and share the session so that more people can come and enjoy it and also subscribe it. Now guys, I already told you target should not be too much. Guys, West Indies team is a very good team, but in ODIs, in test match, they are not as good as T20 team. Why? Because वो 50 ओवर को और टेस्ट मैच को उस तरीके से खेलते ही नहीं है. उनको एक ही चीज आता है T20, तो वो टारगेट सोचते ही नहीं है कि हम टारगेट को पहले से ही छक्का मारने के चक्कर में चलते हैं, फिर बोल्ड हो जाते हैं. Okay, so target should not be too much high. Second thing, most important thing, guys, Abraham Lincoln has said, suppose you have to cut 100 pieces of wood in 6 hours. The time given is 6 hours and you have to cut the pieces of wood. So Abraham Lincoln has said that initially 4 hours he will do the work, not to cut the wood, but to make the sharp edge of that axe. There is axe from which you cut the wood. So first 4 hours he will be going to sharp the wood, then 2 hours he will be going to cut the wood. Okay, similarly, guys, I was giving this example to my friends as well, even in first year, second year. That time I even don't know the statement of Abraham Lincoln. Coincidentally, that is matching with me. Of course, the color is as well. Okay. So what I want to tell you, my friends, that this is a competition exam. Without going to deep concept, I'm not showing without going to concept, because I know everybody will start grabs the concept, then go to practice. Everybody will grasp the concept, then go to practice. Agreeing. But without going to deep concept, if you are going to do practice, not much use. The feeling will not be coming. Guys. More time it will be taken by you to solve, suppose 50 problems. For GATE, guys. Not for your semester exam. Semester exam, you can directly go to question. एक रात पहले वही तो करते थे कि डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन समझा देता था एक अच्छा सा दोस्त हमें. Now see, guys, here what you have to do, guys, before go, every GATE aspirant knows this concept. Practice, get the concept, go to the practice. What I want to say, if you're grasping the concept, going to the practice, then many times you're not able to solve all the questions, because here the concept is not required. The deep understanding, the deep feeling of the concept is required. अगर concept से ही क्वेश्चन बन जाना था तो फिर बच्चों के 100 में से 99 98 आने थे ना. Deep understanding of concept with the feelings, and then you have to solve the question. So concept is more important. So if you understand the concepts well, even those 50 questions that you are taking 5 hours, might be only 2 hours are sufficient. Okay. Okay, that's my style, Astiram. You can go away from here right away right now. Okay. Now guys, another thing, the consistency is also required. Okay, because that consistency will always make you further in your life. Okay, every day you should be going better than the previous one. Every day you should be going better than the previous one. Now here also people are lagging. What? See, many lagging. That's why the journey of a gate aspirant sometimes got stopped in between. That's why the journey of a gate aspirant got stopped in between. Why? Because, my friends, they think that consistency is, suppose a month is of 30 days, then 30 out of 30 days if you have to study, that is consistency. Or 31 out of 31 days, it is consistency. Or in month of February, 28 days out of 28 days, it is consistency. Okay, it is this. Astir Ram, you have already reported a mail has been coming to your mail. Don't worry. Okay, so 31 out of 31, 30 out of 30 or 28 out of 28 is consistency. No, guys. If you are taking this as a target, of course, very few people will be going to achieve it. And also, if somebody is going to achieve it, it will not be able to hold it for longer months or for 2 or 3 months. Only 1 month you can achieve this. So if your guys 24 or 25 days in a month, if you are studying, that's enough. That is a consistency. 4 and 5 or 6 can obviously be off days. 4, 5, 6 can obviously be off days. So this is consistency. When in your back of mind, you are knowing that this is consistency and you are achieving this on a regular interval, then it will be giving you a boost up for the next month as well. But if you think this is consistency, of course, very few people will be achieving it. Of course, if somebody is achieving it, it will not be achieving it for 2 or 3 months. Demotivated, next month it will stop. And guys, one very important point. One very important point. See, guys, when I started preparing in 2010, 2009, 2011, okay, of course, I am not prepared for 3 years, but let me say in these years, I was in 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year. What happens usually with me, when I go to my teacher in my coaching and I studied a subject from him, okay, amazing feeling to having here. It's amazing feeling to having here. Who having here? Okay. So, everybody, see. Now, when I started preparation, guys, when I attended the lecture of my coaching teacher and I attended all the lectures, I got all the concepts. Then again I came back to home and I started practicing. Guys, I'm not able to solve all the questions. I'm only able to solve 7 out of 10 questions, or around 65 to 75 questions or 70 questions out of 100 questions. Then that time, back in 2010-11, I always thought that I attended all the lectures. I get even all the concepts. Then why I'm not able to solve all the questions? Guys, see, that time there was no one who can tell me that if you are scoring this much, it's absolutely brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant, because if just after your lecture you are solving this much, of course you will be doing test series in coming months, you will be doing revisions in coming months. That is only going to be improved for an ideal candidate, not other ones. For ideal candidates, it will be only going to improve, because ideal candidate will be doing revisions, will be doing test series. So at exam time, you will be reaching 75 to 78 questions out of 100. And guys, most of the exam, GATE and ESE cut off for PSUs and cutoff of ESE is less than this. Yes, this year the cutoff has been more, 807 out of 1300 for civil, and around this much for other branches as well. And for gate, this much you will be getting top 100 in most of the branches. That time nobody was there to tell me that this is a beautiful score if you are scoring this much. So I thought, yeah, there is some problem in me. I'm not able to solve those 30 questions. And nobody told me this thing that cutoff is so much less. So I got demotivated. I'm not getting that push to start further. So I want every candidate, if you genuinely attend a lecture, if you genuinely prepare yourself as well, and you are able to solve this much questions, guys, don't compare it with your CGPA that you have to get 9 SPI in college. Guys, this much you are scoring, hats off, absolutely brilliant. You should be getting boost up from that. Okay, have you got it? Everybody please like and share the session. Like and share the session, guys. Consistency will be going to you like this. Okay, now life is always going, leave competition exam, leave gate, leave ESE. Life is always going to be tougher. Not at this point of time when you are preparing for your gate or ESE exam, but in further life as well, when you will be 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Okay, and I need to of course concepts, Harshad. Okay, so always you have to be tougher. Okay, real competition is less. Okay, now many people ask me one thing, sir, how many number of hours we have to study? I always tell them, number of hours is not a criteria. Your preparation should be target based, not time based. Your preparation should be target based, not the time based. Not the time based. You should make a target when you're preparing the stat. There are 3 studies now. First, understanding the exam, 5 to 10 days. Then concepts, that will be 6 to 7 months. And that I told you after. And third one is revision and test. So when you second stage is there, that will take 6 to 7 months. Suppose you take subjects, you have to make them in 10 days. I'll complete SOM, in 12 days I'll complete digital, in 13 days I'll complete RAC, in 14 days I'll complete Algo, like this. So your study should be target based. Your study should be target based. And now that target can be achieved by a student by studying 4 hours a day, and some different student can be achieved a target by studying that same target by studying 8 hours a day. Okay, Jayant Chaudhary from Raipur is here. So it should be target based, not time based. Second thing, sir, is luck important? Guys, unfortunately as a teacher, I have to say this. Unfortunately as a teacher, I have to say this, that yes, luck is important. As a teacher, it's unfortunate to me to say this. But after this, I always say one more thing to my students. That suppose your preparation, your concepts, your practice is up to 80 out of 100. Then how much worst luck you are having that day. It will not be going your marks to reduce from 80 to 20. Not possible. Suppose you have prepared only, you are deserving only 20 marks. How much lucky you are, like MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You will not be getting 80 marks. So luck is never be playing this much big factor. Okay. Aisanagar, you can call here 96500 52904 529 and ask your queries. It will not be going from 80 to 20 to 20 to 80. Luck is not that big factor. Luck will just devaluate, decrease your marks by 5 to 10% or increase your mark by 5 to 10%. It will not be going to play a huge role. Unfortunately, it plays role, but not a huge role from here to here or here to here. Now your preparation should be like that. Everybody wants to eliminate this part. Of course, when this part may be going to decrease your marks, increase your marks, it's absolutely okay. Okay. So when it is going to decrease your marks, nobody wants to do that. So guys, your preparation should be like that. If that day is your unluckiest day, then also you are clearing the exam, because your preparation should not be up to the cutoff level, 10 to 15% more than that. Okay, I always say, guys, go hunt your dream. Okay, now guys, one more thing, that my friends, somebody says that everyone is born unique, no comparison is possible. Okay. But guys, I always believe that some students always want to be unique. Guys, uniqueness is something that should be natural. That should be, you should not want to become unique. Okay, otherwise you will be losing your natural identity. Okay, you should be unique. You don't have to be unique. The difference is there. You should be unique. You don't have to be unique. Okay, so sometimes you जबरदस्ती कोई बच्चे हीरो हीरालाल बनने के लिए यहां से यहां जाना चाहते हैं. somebody यहां से हीरो हीरालाल बनने के लिए यहां से यहां जाना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो गाइज, एक स्टेटमेंट भी है कि हमेशा क्राउड के साथ मत खड़ा रहो, तुम्हें कौन पहचानेगा. फालतू स्टेटमेंट है दोस्तों. आपको हमेशा जो आपके कैरियर के लिए, अभी कैरियर की बात कर रहा हूं, मतलब प्रवचन नहीं दे रहा हूं, आपको जो आपके कैरियर के लिए, गेट के लिए जो सही है, आपको वहां जाना है, ना कि यूनिकनेस की तरफ जाना है. ना कि यूनिक नहीं तो यहां डब्बा बंद करो तो मर जाओगे, अंदर जा ही नहीं पाओगे पानी में. फालतू स्टेटमेंट है कि आपको यूनिक बनना है. ओके, यू हैव नेचुरल, यू शुड बी यूनिक. यू डोंट हैव टू बी यूनिक. यू शुड बी यूनिक. यू डोंट हैव टू बी यूनिक. बनना नहीं है, नेचुरल हो तो सही है. और हमको बहुत सारे लोग कॉलेज में हीरो बनने के लिए यूनिक बनना चाहते हैं. ना दोस्तों, आपको यूनिक की तरफ नहीं जाना है, नहीं तो डब्बा बंद कर देता है भगवान. वहां ना यहाँ के रहते हैं ना वहां के रहते हैं. आपको यूनिक की तरफ नहीं जाना है, आपको सही की तरफ जाना है, जो आपके गेट प्रिपरेशन के लिए सही है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग मी व्हाट आई वांट टू से. ओके, नाउ गाइज, आई होप यू ऑल रिमेंबर दिस शॉट. महेंद्र सिंह धोनी. थैंक यू सलीम भाई. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ओके, so okay, Ratnikant was there. It's okay. Now, my friends, this is MSD. I hope you all know this shot. This shot is the World Cup final winning shot. Okay, but guys, these things that he has done the effort in the last. Okay, see this? Such a nice session, sir. Thank you. Okay, you don't have to do like this. Okay, because guys, if somebody is thinking that at the last time they can do this and win the game, it is not here in GATE. In GATE and ESE, you have to do all these efforts from the beginning. Yes, this is correct. This will be correct if already you are putting the effort. अगर आप शुरुआत में नहीं भाग रहे थे और already there is a huge gap between you and others, then even these kind of things will not be saving you. That pushing yourself at the last moment will not be going to help you. Okay, these kind of things will not be going to help you. These kind of things will only be going to help you if continuously you are doing tremendous. Okay, then at the finish line you can start accelerating. Okay, पर अगर गैप ही तुम्हारे और आगे वाले के बीच में 50 फुट का हो और तब भी तुम ये करके सोच रहे हो जीत जाओगे, तो जीतोगे तो नहीं, उल्टा चोट और लग जाएगी. समझ गए होंगे मेरी बात. अगर तुम्हारे और आगे वाले के बीच में जो दूरी है वो 50 फुट की है, तुम ऐसे सोच रहे हो जीत जाओगे, तो जीतोगे तो नहीं, माथे में चोट और लग जाएगी, खून और लगेगा, बैंडेड खरीदनी पड़ेगी. ओके, एंड गाइस, और लास्ट सजेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू, that when you are giving the exam, that day the mind should be relaxed. There should not be hustle in the mind. Mind में hustle नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, that time your mind should be relaxed. Just even 1 or 2 days before the exam, it should not be like that your mind में उथल पुथल चल रहा है और ये exam से just half an hour before you are finding a formula. Oh, this is square or cube root. Tell me that formula in the phone. That is square or cube root. Okay, that thing, all these things. Because might be when you are giving the exam, that formula is not coming. But that has made instability in your mind that can cause your performance on the other things that you are very confident in. Okay, so कभी कभी उससे फॉर्मूला ना भी आए, क्वेश्चन ना भी आए, लेकिन उसने माइंड में उथल पुथल मचा दिया है, that will causing problem in the other things. Okay, So guys, that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, Hakeem, welcome. Okay. Of course, आप marks बता दोगे अपने एक बार Telegram में तो मैं ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता पाऊंगा. If you want to take GridUp Super subscription, you can take the code LAST55 and get 55% discount in that. Of course, the Vision batches are also available. Gate 2022 is there. You can check your Hindi batch is also available. Vision means Gate plus ESE. Live classes will be there. Practice question, chapter-wise study notes, and mock tests as well. So Hindi batch is also available, and those students who are giving the exam in 2023, of course, they can also prepare. Okay, so these are our faculties, guys. More than 10 plus of students are in top 10 this year. You can see their interviews in the GridUp Achievers Corner. Okay, and guys, with GridUp Super, your life will be jingalala. All the structured courses, all batches, all courses, all PDFs by teacher, all printed PDFs, gate level quiz, ESC level quizzes, performance, attendance, you versus topper performance, everything will be there. All courses, and also the test series green card. So one GridUp Super, everything is there. No, Karan Gupta, for MTech you will be eligible, not for PSU. A 2-year dropper, of course, Sonu, if your age is there, PSU will not be taking you on the basis of your drop. PSU will be taking the around 70 to 75% of gate score and 20 to 25 or personal test or this group discussion or interview. Telegram is GridUp Cell Champions, you can call, or abhinav.negi@gradup.co, you can call. Guys, of course, for any further doubt, you can speak to our counselor 96500 Syllabus of Pakistan India is almost same. Okay, Salim, I was not aware of that. Nitin, any update? Ghanshyam sir, no update. Karan Gupta, okay. Any 4 question? Mohammed Hakim, just clear. Can I get a question? Yes, of course. Mohammed Hakim, NIT also. If you're just clearing gate, NIT also, not very good NIT, not very good branch, but you will be getting some. Thank you. Any more question, guys? You can always share the session with your friends so that more people can join this. Anything more you want to ask me, guys? You can of course ask me. Sir, please share your contact number. Kathiwalam abhinav.negi@gradup.co is my contact number. पाकिस्तान में अपना फैन है सर, अपने फैन हर जगह ही है. Just kidding. How to be good at engineering mathematics? In engineering, Satya, see, classes are going on. Rakesh sir, Ankit Joshi sir, all are taking classes. You can take them classes. मतलब किस में कैसे improve करें, क्वेश्चन नहीं हो पा रहे हैं तो कॉन्सेप्ट सुधारो and you will be getting that. कॉन्सेप्ट सुधारने only कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है कॉन्सेप्ट सुधारने का. Ashish, this is the number you can call here. Thank you guys. GridUp के साथ सही prep है तो life set है. Thank you. For the doubts, you can always write in the comment box. Please like and share. Thank you, everybody. Good night. Thanks all of you guys. A very, very good night. Take care, guys. Thank you.